Ever wondered where Pakistan's economic pulse beats strongest? It's not just in the bustling markets or the busy streets, it's in a place where dreams, ambition, and opportunity converge every single day. Welcome to the Pakistan Stock Exchange, or PSX, the financial powerhouse at the heart of the nation's economy. Here, anyone, not just big corporations or wealthy elites, can own a piece of the country's top companies. The PSX is open to all, making investing accessible for everyone from seasoned professionals to first-time investors. Think of it as a grand bazaar, but instead of trading spices or textiles, you're exchanging shares. Tiny pieces of ownership in businesses that shape daily life across Pakistan. From banks and cement factories to tech startups and energy giants, the PSX touches every corner of the economy, offering you a chance to grow your wealth alongside the nation's progress. When you buy a stock, you're not just making a transaction, you're betting on a company's future, supporting its growth, and sharing in its journey. If that company succeeds, so do you. Your investment grows, and you become part of a larger story of innovation and achievement. The PSX is a regulated, transparent platform connecting companies needing capital with investors seeking opportunity. It's a place where trust and ambition meet. Pakistan's young, growing population and rapidly developing economy mean there's huge potential for expansion, innovation, and profit in the years ahead. The stock market mirrors the nation's optimism and challenges, giving you a front-row seat to what drives Pakistan forward and how its people adapt to change. The PSX blends a rich history with future promise, constantly adapting to new technologies, global trends, and emerging opportunities. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a retiree planning for the future, the stock market offers valuable lessons, financial growth, and endless possibilities. In this video, we'll explore the PSX's fascinating history, its top-performing companies, and practical tips to help you start investing with confidence and clarity. Pakistan's stock market story began soon after independence, as the country sought to build its economic foundations from the ground up. In those early days, Karachi quickly emerged as the financial heartbeat of the new nation, bustling with ambition and hope. The Karachi Stock Exchange, KSE, officially opened its doors in 1947, marking a pivotal moment in Pakistan's financial history. Starting with just a handful of listed companies, the KSE laid the groundwork for capital markets in Pakistan's commercial hub, providing a platform for businesses to raise funds and for investors to participate in the country's growth. As Pakistan's economy expanded and new industries emerged, the need for additional exchanges became clear, leading to the establishment of the Lahore Stock Exchange in 1970, and later, the Islamabad Stock Exchange in 1992, which served the growing business communities in the north of the country. For decades, these three exchanges operated independently, resulting in a fragmented and sometimes inefficient market landscape, with investors and companies navigating different rules and systems. In January 2016, a landmark merger unified the three exchanges into the Pakistan Stock Exchange, PSX, streamlining trading, improving transparency, and boosting overall efficiency. This bold move made the market more accessible and liquid, attracting international investors who were previously hesitant due to the fragmented structure. In 2017, the global index provider MSCI upgraded Pakistan to emerging market status, a major vote of confidence that signaled the country's growing importance on the world stage. This inclusion drew global investment funds and put Pakistan on the map for foreign capital, opening new doors for economic development and international partnerships. The PSX's transformation marked a new era of growth, innovation, and global recognition for Pakistan's financial sector. Today, investors from every corner of the country can trade shares seamlessly on a single, powerful platform, using advanced technology and digital tools. The PSX stands as a symbol of resilience, reform, and opportunity in Pakistan's financial landscape, continuing to drive progress and inspire confidence for generations to come. The PSX's rise wasn't overnight. It took decades of reform and resilience. Early on, the Karachi Stock Exchange served local businesses, but as industries like textiles and banking grew, so did the market's importance. High returns, despite volatility, attracted risk-tolerant investors and foreign interest, especially from the Middle East. Privatization of major state-owned companies in the 1990s and 2000s deepened the market and increased its size. The 2016 merger and 2017 MSCI upgrade made the PSX a regional contender, drawing global fund managers. Today, the PSX is a key South Asian financial institution, connected to CPEC and diverse sectors from energy to tech. Its ability to weather economic storms and adopt modern technologies cements its reputation as a resilient, promising market. In mid-2025, the PSX faces a complex but hopeful economic environment. Government policies on fiscal discipline and stabilization are closely watched by investors. CPEC projects in energy and infrastructure boost sectors like cement and steel, driving profits and stock prices. Foreign investment and international support help stabilize currency and reduce risk. Banking, energy and construction sectors are market standouts, benefiting from strong demand and reforms. Challenges remain. Political uncertainty and global slowdowns can spark volatility. The key for investors: focus on strong companies with clear growth strategies and stay informed. Despite hurdles, cautious optimism prevails, fueled by reforms and the potential of Pakistan's core industries. To truly understand the PSX and its dynamics, it's essential to look closely at its blue-chip leaders, companies that set the pace for the entire market. Oil and Gas Development Company Limited, or OGDC, anchors the energy sector. With consistent revenues and reliable dividends, OGDC is a favorite among investors. Its future growth is closely tied to new oil and gas discoveries, and its strategic projects continue to shape Pakistan's energy landscape. Habib Bank Limited, known as HBL, stands as a banking giant. It leads the way in digital innovation and financial inclusion, serving millions of customers. With a strong track record, robust balance sheet, and ambitious growth plans, HBL is a cornerstone of the financial sector. Lucky Cement Limited, or LUC, dominates the industrial sector. Driven by rising construction demand and strategic expansions both locally and internationally, Lucky Cement's operational excellence and forward-thinking approach make it a standout in manufacturing. These three companies, OGDC, HBL, and Lucky Cement, represent energy, finance, and industry. Together, they form the pillars of Pakistan's economy and are often seen as bellwethers for the market's direction. Their performance not only signals the market's overall health, but also offers relatively stable, long-term investment opportunities for those seeking growth and security. For investors, understanding these market leaders provides valuable insight into the PSX's landscape, its trends, and its future potential. While no investment is ever completely risk-free, the strong fundamentals and proven track records of these companies make them key players to watch closely in the coming years. Ultimately, they embody the strengths, resilience, and opportunities of Pakistan's stock market, offering a window into the nation's economic future. The PSX's future is shaped by technology and a changing investment landscape. Digital trading platforms and mobile apps are making investing more accessible, especially for young Pakistanis. This digital shift is expanding the investor base and boosting market liquidity. Foreign investment potential remains high, especially with continued reforms and possible upgrades in global indices. Pakistan's growing tech sector could bring exciting new IPOs, diversifying the market and attracting fresh interest. However, risks persist. Political instability, economic challenges, and global shocks can trigger volatility. Investors must stay alert to these risks and understand that volatility is part of the journey. The PSX's evolution will be marked by both growth and challenges. Success will depend on resilience, innovation, and sound regulation. For those prepared, the opportunities could be transformative. Ready to invest in the PSX? Start with these essentials. Do your own research. Understand what a company does, its profitability, and its debt before investing. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one stock or sector. Spread your investments to manage risk. Think long-term. Short-term trading is risky. Most new investors do better holding strong companies for years. Patience pays. Ride out market ups and downs for better returns. Manage your emotions. Avoid panic selling or chasing quick gains. Use tools like stop-loss orders to limit losses and stick to your plan. Start small and build your knowledge as you go. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Continuous learning and discipline are your best allies. With the right approach, you can build wealth and confidence in the PSX. The PSX is more than a marketplace. It's a reflection of Pakistan's ambitions and potential. From its origins as the Karachi Stock Exchange to a unified modern platform, the PSX has powered economic growth and wealth creation. Today, it offers everyone a chance to invest in the nation's future, from energy to banking to tech. Digitalization and new listings promise even more opportunities ahead. By following simple principles, research, diversification, patience, you can navigate the market with confidence. The PSX isn't just for the elite, it's open to anyone ready to learn and invest. Start your journey, build your knowledge, and be part of Pakistan's growth story. The future is being written. Through the PSX, you can help shape it.